Hello everyone, I have just had a delivery and I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of my bag liners that I ordered from Zoomoni. I'm not sponsored by them, I just like their bag liners and I usually buy them for my bags. I have got some from some other companies, but most of my liners are Zoomoni, and I've always paid for every single one I own with my own money. I do use Dale from Dale's Addictions discount code though to get 20% off. So they come from South Korea. So this parcel has just arrived and I ordered 2 recently. So I thought I would do a quick little unboxing here on my channel. I can get into them here, there we go. And they do usually come quite well packaged. So there you go, and that says, I don't know if you can see that. Take it back a bit. See, let me move the camera so you can see that. It says Claire, so they've labelled it Claire. Right, I've got a box cutter here. There we go. So there's the liners in the box. I've got 2 in this box, and let's get them out. There's a little card there that says, "Thank you from our heart to yours. From the bottom of our heart, thank you for your order. We hope that you enjoy your creation as much we hope that you enjoy our creation as much as we have enjoyed making it for you. You have helped us to become who we are today, and for that we are forever grateful. Lots of love, Zoomoni. Enjoy 15% off your next order with code THANKYOU15. Well, I get 20% off with Dale's code, so you know, thank you for the 15%, but I will continue to use Dale's code while it's available. And then it's got Fendi Baguette Mini and a little card, Fendi Baguette Medium. Yeah, because this is a liner for my denim mini baguette, which I just thought, because it's canvas denim inside, I just thought I'd like a liner just to keep it clean, and I thought about getting a different colour, but I in the end decided to opt for the same colour as the bag, which is this nice denim blue. I think this is the baby blue on the Zoomoni website. Yeah, so interestingly enough, it doesn't come, neither of them have got the little lipstick holders. They used to do their liners with those little lipstick holders, so I've got quite a lot of those tiny pouches. They don't seem to be doing those anymore, but this is the mini baguette one, so it's just 1 space and 1 pocket. So I'm going to get the bags in a minute and I'll put them in so you can see. And this is for my medium baguette, so this is for my new raffia baguette, and I decided to go for the custard colour, this is called, because it matches the colour of the raffia, and because the raffia is see-through, I really wanted as close a match as possible. And I already have a liner in this colour. I have one that goes in my Chanel Gold Mini reissue, so I checked the colour against it and I thought actually it was the best colour. I've got a couple of their liners in Jasper Tan and Marble, I think, and they were just a little bit too dark, so this one I felt was the best colour. Both of these liners are in the 1.2mm felt, because I'm not really wanting them for structure. I'm just wanting them to keep the insides of the bags clean. And as I said on my unboxing video for the raffia baguette, because there are holes in the raffia, see, I don't want anything, you know, untoward sticking through the bag from the inside and damaging it. So this is to protect the inside of my bag and to keep it clean. So yeah, I'm going to get the bags in a second and I will put the liners in them so you can see what they look like. Okay, so I've just actually come upstairs and got the 2 bags out. So I've popped them on the bed, and of course there's a Pebbles. She's not on her silk pillowcase today, but she is sitting in the middle of the king-size bed because obviously she wants the whole bed to herself. So let's go back to the bags. Right, so I've got the denim mini baguette out and my new raffia regular size baguette. So let's start with the denim one. As you can see, I mentioned it's just a canvas denim blue inside. So I went for this colour, as I said. So let's pop that in there, and yeah, there you can see it fits fine, fits lovely. Yeah, and the colour match is not too bad. nice kind of similar colour in there. So yeah, again, as I said, didn't buy this one to give it structure because this canvas baguette is already quite structured, but just bought it just really to protect the inside of the mini baguette. So yeah, so I'm just going to put this one away. I'll just pop the strap inside the bag, and then fasten it, and there it is with its organizer inside. And here's my raffia one. This has just got a little bit of tissue in there at the moment. There's the detachable pouch, and yeah, so as I mentioned, this one has got holes in it. You can see through it, and so I really wanted an organizer, not again for structure because I actually like the slouchiness of this bag and the softness, but I wanted an organizer to protect the inside of the bag so that I don't put anything in there that then is sharp and like comes through the holes and damages it or anything like that, or have any, you know, color transfer or anything go onto the raffia inside. So let's go pop this one in. Goes in nice and easily, fits, and yeah, so with it in, obviously it's not see-through anymore, but I don't think it detracts from the raffia. It's a nice colour match. You can't actually see, I don't think that there's anything in there. It's not taken away from the effect of the raffia, so I think I'm happy that I've chose the right colour, that I've gone for the right colour, and say it is the thin one, so it doesn't really take away any of the sort of slouchiness of the bag. It doesn't suddenly make it super structured. So yeah, and obviously with this there is no pockets in this bag, so to have the organizer with a couple of pockets at the front and one at the back is quite useful as well. I said on my unboxing about the detachable pouch, so obviously you can pop the pouch in if you want extra pockets, but I can't actually see myself using the pouch very much. Certainly the bag with the organizer, now I've got a couple of pockets and that's kind of enough for me. So yeah, so let's just pop that in there. As you can see, I've taken the sticker off. Meredith will be happy. So yeah, there's the two baguettes with their organisers in. As I said, I'm not sponsored by Zoomoni. I just thought it'd be useful to show you how their mini and regular size baguette organisers fit. They have started recently doing a satin organiser, and I might get one in the future for my sequin mini baguette, because that has a pink satin interior, and again I'm kind of tempted to get an organizer to protect that interior, and as they do ones in satin now, I thought I'd get one that might match the interior rather than a felt one. I think they're a touch more expensive than the felt, but I might give that a try. So yeah, hope that video was useful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.